was starting a new project here. I want to make that twig Christmas tree is what I'm calling it. I'm going to put a picture of the one that I saw online. It looks pretty easy to make. The one that I'm seeing has like 6 little twigs. So I went to my stash of twigs, and I happen to have a lot. I should have more than enough here to do 6 levels, and it goes from fatter to skinnier. So that's what we're going to try to do here, and again, as straight as possible. So I probably should, I think I'm going to start with the fat one and then work my way up. See how fat I want to do it, or how wide I should say. I'm going to start with that. Whoop. Who knows what? Okay, bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. Okay, now we're gonna determine the distance I want to do them. Let me look at my picture again. According to the picture I'm looking at, they're about a good that long. And I have a good wall to put them on, so let's get a dimension here. Yeah, let's do about a ruler worth. And we're just gonna tie it with twine. It looks like they do it kind of on the edges here. So that's how the bottom's gonna look. Now I just have to keep going up and up and up. Okay, and here it is on the wall. Probably a little taller than I need it to be. So now I can put some lights and some decorations, and when I get Christmas cards I can attach them somehow. I figure that